Hi everyone. In nursing informatics, I learned many things about technology that I never knew. The best moments I had was learning how to develop an infographic and blogging. I love the infographic because everything can be put on one page. And I love blogging because I felt it was my own creation and I can develop it to be whatever I wanted it to be. I also enjoy playing around with the Nearpod. I finally felt that I found a technology tool that I didn't have the challenge of struggling to use it. I had a great time using a Nearpod, creating questions and viewing the activities and thinking of other activities that I could use with my future students. This class has been extremely challenging to me, and most of the time I had a very difficult time trying to use and learn all the different technologies. Piktochart for me was very difficult, but once I took the time to figure it out, and with some assistance from IT and from my husband, I really like the concept of it. The other technology that I really liked was simulation. When I was in school, the closest thing we received to a clinical simulation was a mannequin, and we were basically verbally given a situation, and we had to act on it. I plan on using simulations and case studies frequently in my career as a nurse educator. Nursing and nurse education is changing, and I feel that technology will assist in keeping the students engaged in learning. Technology gives the student the opportunity to engage in his own learning without lectures. I feel students lose their focus with lectures and most likely do not enjoy attending class. I want my students to enjoy attending class, and I plan on using various technologies and teaching strategies to keep them motivated and engaged in class. I plan on using infographics, the Nearpod, simulations, as well as other teaching strategies that will keep them motivated when learning. I have also started applying some of this technology in learning at work. I'm in the process of developing a new orientation for new nurses that'll be coming on. As a future nurse educator, I desire to learn and become more skilled in technology in order to help my students master the content they're supposed to learn.